Alright, let me ask you, what if I told you there are 5 macro signals that have flashed before every major US market crash since 1987? I'm talking Black Monday, the dot-com bubble, the financial crisis. These indicators gave a warning shot every single time. And right now, 4 out of 5 are active. Now, before you panic, I want you to stick with me. This isn't about doom and gloom, it's about pattern recognition, being prepared, and seeing what most people miss. So, what are these 5 signals? First up, yield curve inversion. That's when short-term interest rates rise above long-term ones. Every major crash since '87, yield curve flipped red first. It's like the bond market's version of a fire alarm. Subtle, but deadly accurate. Number 2, surging corporate debt. When companies load up on cheap credit, it's like building a house of cards. In 2000 and 2008, corporate debt hit record highs right before the collapse. And today, debt levels are even crazier. Signal 3, IPO Mania. If you see a flood of billion-dollar companies racing to go public, that's often a late-stage bull market sign. Think back, dot-coms in 2000, unicorns in 2021, and now we're eyeing giants like Anthropic, OpenAI, and SpaceX with a combined $3.85 trillion valuation. That's not just big, it's historic. Number 4, sky-high valuations. When price-to-earnings ratios go through the roof, the market's usually ignoring risk. In '87, in 2000, in 2008, valuations were stretched thin right before the fall. Today, let's just say, the numbers look eerily familiar. And finally, Signal 5. Collapsing consumer confidence. When people start pulling back on spending, trouble usually isn't far behind. This is the one signal that's not flashing red yet, but it's teetering. So, 4 out of 5 signals are active right now. That doesn't mean a crash is guaranteed. But history, it doesn't repeat, but it sure does rhyme. If you want to see how these indicators line up for your portfolio, I've got something for you. There's a quick quiz at crashprofitblueprint.com. Takes just a couple minutes and it'll show you where you might stand if history repeats itself. Look, I'm not here to scare you. I'm here so you don't get blindsided like so many investors did in the past. The goal is simple: recognize the patterns and be ready. So, are you paying attention to the signals, or are you just hoping for the best? Take the quiz, get informed, and let's make smarter moves together.